It's called How You Like Me Now, and it's basically when you prove people wrong when they don't think you're always going to be right. Keep it short and sweet. Ready? I've been dropped by plenty of people. You think I've gone and lost my head. Some say I wish them well, though they probably wished I was dead. Folks and I had different feelings. I think mine made a bit more sense. And sometimes just being happy is the best revenge. And you may have no hard feelings, but I have for a while. And I really wanted to piss you off just to see me smile. See me grow and be successful. You'll be sitting in the back of the crowd. How you like me? How you like me now? Give me a few months and you won't believe the awesome things you see me up to now. How you like me? How you like me now? And you never once believed in me, though you swear you tried. Guess I wanted too much when I asked you to swallow your pride. You never once believed in me, so I'm doing my best to spite. It's no longer about you, but all about